Good morning, children. Children, chapter number 6, the Western Desert. Today we will start our new chapter 6, the Western Desert. Chapter number 5 we have finished yesterday. So today we will start this chapter. So learning objective of this chapter is location of the Western Desert and climatic conditions and vegetation in the desert. In which desert? Western Desert. So let's start this chapter, students. The Western Desert. Towards the west of the northern plains lies a hot, dry and sandy area with very little vegetation. Students, so in this area, hot, dry and sandy climate is there. The west of the northern plains lies a hot, dry and sandy area with very little vegetation, and it is known as the Western Desert, or we can say that the Third Desert. So these two names are there, which we can say Western Desert and Third Desert, and we can also known as the Great Indian Desert. We can also known as the Great Indian Desert. There is very little rainfall in this area. So student, in this area rainfall is very less. That's why this area is dry and sandy, and it is too much hot also here. So students, the Western Desert lie mostly in the western part of Rajasthan. So it is lies in the western part of the Rajasthan, and it stretches from Rann to Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. And there are very few water streams in the desert. Why very few water streams are there? Because in this desert lacking of water. Water is very much less here. That's why this area is very much hot and sandy area due to the less water. So the Indian desert is the part of a very large desert which extend beyond Pakistan into Arabian Desert. It extend beyond Pakistan and into the Arabian Desert. Student, you can see in this picture, the Indian desert is a sandy plain. This area you can see here, this is a plain area and it is full covered with sand. So the Indian desert is a sandy plain. In many places there are small hillocks of sand. In small area, small hillocks of sand called sand dunes. So in many places there are some hillocks of sand. These are the hillocks of sand. You can see here, this area is a hillocks of sand and it is called sand dunes. We call it sand dunes. This area is covered with fully sand, and when there are small hillocks are there, these hillocks we called it sand dunes. And next, dust storms are very common in desert. Sometimes the dust storms are so strong that they easily move the sand dunes from one place to another. What are the sand dunes? That small hillocks area is called sand dunes. So that hillocks can move one place to another place. It is a hill of sand. So these can move one place to another place due to dust storm. Hundreds of meters away from their original position, the sand dunes keep shifting all the times, because all the time dust storms are there. So any time they can keep shifting all the time, that sand dunes. Next we are talking about the climate of western. So students, the desert has an extreme climate. How is the climate? Extreme climate here, and during summer the days are so hot that it is very difficult to step out. Here summers are very much hot, so nobody can come outside of the house, but due to the work they have to come out, otherwise climate is very much hot there. After the sunset it cools down in this region, and when sun sets then some area is cools down, and the nights are pretty cold. Nights are cold, but in the afternoon too much hot is there. The sun heats up very fast during the day, making the days very hot. The sun heats very fast during the day, making the days very hot. The sun cools down very fast, as I told you here, at the night time. So the sun cools down, making the night very cold. Day temperature in summers may rise up to 50 degrees C, while the night temperature may come down to as low as 15 degrees C. You can see the difference here. So in the afternoon temperature is 50 degrees C, and at night temperature is 15 degrees C. Winter in the desert are cooler, as winter are cooler here also, but here in winter season too much cold is there, but here only cooler climate is there. Winter in the desert are cooler, with day temperature remaining pleasant around 24 degrees C, and nights are cold with temperatures getting as low as 88 degrees C. So you can see the difference here. In the winter season, in the daytime 24 degrees C, and at night temperature is very low, 8 degrees C. So the western desert hardly gets any rainfall. In this region very less rainfall is here, and through annual rainfall in Jaisalmer is 15 centimeter, and Jaisalmer is a city which is in the Rajasthan. So here rainfall is very much less. You can see here 15 centimeter, and it remains dry for most part of the year. So it remains dry for most part of the year, and some parts of the desert do not get rain at all for many years. So for many years some places in the desert are there which they don't get rain at all. So that's why this area is very hot and dry with sand covered. So let's start rivers. So student, there are no permanent river in this desert. No permanent river in this desert. So in the rainy season, river Luni and some other streams. So some other streams are there. When rainy season going on, then they filled with water. On that time they filled with water and get filled up with water, but the water dries up very fast. Which water they filled in their streams and Luni river, that is dried up very fast. Why it is so? Because the climate is very much hot there. During the daytime it is very hot, and at night only it is cooler. So these rivers are dried up very fast due to the dry. So students, we have talked about river in western, and we have talked about climate, and we have talked about western desert. So rest of the things about vegetation we will read tomorrow. So student, hope you will read this chapter. How much I have read, you will complete it and rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.